and I can't wait to use them. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's all good. It's all good on the hood. Oh god. I want to create, look at that, I match my top with my hat. Very pretty. Right, the reason is because yesterday I experimented with hair color again, and look at that, I'm so blonde and I cannot get used to it, so now we're covering it up a little bit with my hat, and I think that's the job. Yes, it does. So now we are creating a look. So because of what I'm wearing, it needs to be warm, and that's the warm palette. So I will use some of the colors and I will take you through that, and we'll do a smoky nice look, and I can't wait to use them. You? Okay, so let's jump to the actual video tutorial. We did the swatches, so let's see how I'm gonna do the look. Okay, so far guys, I think this eyeshadows are so easy to blend, to mix and to apply. It's just unbelievable, and I have a piece of hair. It's just unbelievable. Oh god. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with this little beauty here, and I will use a little bit harsher brush, like a bit so I can pick up more color. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use this little one here, and then I will pick my color, and I'll go a bit lower. Okay, this is the wrong brush. We're gonna need to go with something better, and probably we'll go with something like that. Let's see. I will use this one actually because you really like it, but we need a better brush to get more on it. And what I'm going to do with the brush, I'm going to wet it down, and I need something to wet it down. I'm gonna put a setting spray on the brush so I can get more pigment out. Oh my god! Okay, I still have some blue glitter because I just did a Valentine's look video and it went as a disaster. I couldn't put my eyelashes on and I used a lip gloss to stick the glue on my eyelid, but that didn't went well. So if you want to see the disastrous Valentine's look video, oh yeah, we're getting there, baby. I really like it, and I'm not getting paid for advertising, so this is my honest opinion. I'm not there to get paid yet. I'm still a new YouTuber, very small YouTuber. Don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet, but we're getting there, ladies and gentlemen. My small family is growing, and that's why I appreciate each and one of you, and I will still appreciate it even if I get big. To be fair, I don't want to get too big. It's too much pressure and I'm so busy and I do hairdressing, and yeah, I was gonna open a salon and I went this week to look into one place and then I had an appointment for another one, and what happened is they took it before I went to see it. So I'm quite a bit upset, I'm down, and I thought, okay, I would love to do some video tutorials for my YouTube family, and that's going to lift my mood. So yeah, that's why I love doing it, guys, and I enjoy trying new products. I love each and one of your comments and likes, and even the dislikes. That's okay, because we're learning and not everyone has the same taste, so it's all good. It's all good on the hood. Oh, I'm so in love with that. And look at that, how well blended. And this, oh, oof. All right. So let's pop from this one. Put it on the corner. I just want to blend this a little bit here, just gently. Okay. Okay, and then we go with the previous tone, like the blending, the top one here, the nice and warm one, and we go with that one, and again we were going to put it just to make it look similar. Oh yeah. Okay. So now we need the brown thingy, the brow bone, and I lost my brush. This is so cool, guys. This is so cool. Look at that. I need to get my hat off a little bit. Okay. Probably I should put my, oh, look at that, how blonde I am. Probably I should put my hat like that. Oh. Okay. So guys, I'm just going to clean a little bit the sides. Okay. It's not a lot down anyway. I have something black in my eye. Okay, this is with eyeshadows. Now what I'm going to do is, you don't have to see that, I'm going to put my mascara, hopefully I can do that, put my eyelashes and do my eyebrows, the face, and then you will see the final look of this amazing look warm, because that's how it looks now, and I really love it. Yes. So yeah, just keep watching the video and I'll be back in a flipping sec. Oh, my ear is sticking out. That doesn't look nice at all. Oops. So guys, this is the final look. I applied my lipstick, and if you want to know which one, please do ask in the comment section below. I tried to apply again my eyelashes. That one came out really nice, and that one is full disaster. My face is a bit orangey because I used new foundation, new glowing kit by Minerals, and apparently this is not the right color for me. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and please go and have a look at my other videos. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, I would say please do subscribe, because there is a lot of new things to come and there is a lot of things for you to see, so you make sure you don't lose me. So anyway, thank you very much, guys, and please remember, do what you like and say what you think, and don't forget to smile. Bye.